Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I showed you guys how to complete a full looking face using 6 drugstore products. I tried to use minimal amount of product for a minimal makeup look pretty much. So this is a look for work, a look for school, a look for if you want to just do something quick and get out the door. This is the look that I created today. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve today's look, then just continue to watch. Alright sis, so I'm going to start off with brows. So the product that I'm using for brows is my Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. This is less than $5, guys. I love this thing just because it's easy to use, it gets the job done, and it's super affordable. So I'm going to use this to pretty much just fill in my brows. It doesn't come with a spoolie on the end, so I'm just taking what I have here in my brush collection and just pretty much brushing out my brows first, and then I'm just pretty much going to fill in the sparse areas, just anywhere that needs to be filled in, and kind of shape my brows. So that is pretty much the first step. This is going to be very quick and easy, guys. It's not meant to be a long process. We just want to look presentable and get out the door pretty much. So yeah, let me start with my brows. Alright, so the next step for me, which is honestly optional for you, but I need to at least shape the bottom portion of my brows. I just like a nice, sharp, chiseled brow look. So again, this is optional, but for me, I want to just carve out the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'm going to take my Rimmel, the Multitasker Concealer, and this is just a few shades lighter than my complexion, just to really brighten and make my eyebrows pop a bit. So I'm gonna just take, where is my brush? So I'm just gonna take my flat brush here and just pretty much carve out, I love to say pretty much, don't I? And I'm just going to carve out the bottom portion of my brows. And now I'm just going to blend that onto my eyelids. So I don't know if you guys could see the difference, but that really just kind of brightened up my brows and just kind of shaped them in place. So that's pretty much it for brows. We're not doing too much. We just want it to look presentable as we walk out the door, okay? So we're gonna move on to our complexion, and I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I really love this stuff, guys. Ever since I did my review on it, I've been pretty much using it almost every day. So I did a review on this. If you haven't seen, I'll leave it in the cards above so you guys could check that out. But I'm pretty much gonna use this everywhere and just pretty much uniform my complexion. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do now. So I'm just gonna apply it to some parts of my face and then blend it out with my buffing brush. And I love this product because it acts as a moisturizer as well. My skin feels super moisturized once I blend this in. And it just does pretty much everything in one. It uniforms your complexion, it hydrates, it conceals, it does everything in one. So this would be an essential product for a quick out the door makeup routine. So if you don't have this in your stash, you need to go get it, girl. You need to go get it. All right, so that's how my complexion is looking right now. Very glowy, uniformed, very fresh faced looking. So I do still see a bit of bags under my eyes. This doesn't conceal your under eye bag. So that's why we go back in with our concealer. And this is the same concealer I use to clean up my brows. So it isn't another product. It still counts as my third product I've used so far. So I'm gonna use this to pretty much highlight my face. I'm not gonna do the whole highlight and contour thing just because this is just like an everyday out the door look. I am going to just highlight underneath my eyes and my nose and my forehead, just this portion of my face. All right, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. And I like to start from the bottom here and just kind of shape the concealer first, and then I go in right underneath my eye. I do like to take the excess and just pat it on my eyelids as well to brighten that up as well. All right, so I'm looking more awake. I'm looking ready to start the day. So because we use all this cream on our face, the rule of thumb is to always go in with some powder just to set everything and make sure that your makeup is lasting throughout the day. If I were to leave like this, I would look like a grease ball. Like, people would be looking at me like, what is wrong with this girl? Like, why she look like that? So always set everything with a powder, guys. So I am going to be using one powder to set everything, and it's the CoverGirl True Blend Loose Mineral Powder. This is in tan, so it is a loose powder. I'm going to dip my fluffy blending brush in this and just apply it everywhere on my face, and that's just going to set everything in place. So I just dip in there, dust off the excess, and we're just going to swirl this around and make sure that everywhere is set. All right, so that's pretty much it for complexion, guys. I look cute. So I'm not doing much with my eyes. I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and I'm taking my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I actually really like this mascara because it really elongates and just, it does something for my lashes. It's really hard to find a mascara that does something for your lashes. So I definitely recommend this if you want to just really accentuate your lashes without having to go in with any lashes. You can go in with lashes. I don't think a lash would count as like a product that you're using on your face. So if you do want to go in with lashes, you can, but I'm just going to use some mascara today and just really embrace what I have for my little lashes here. Oh, it would have been so perfect if I had lash extensions. Like, this look would have been perfect. I'm going to show you guys the difference between this eye with the mascara and the other eye without it. So this is the eye with the mascara on. It really just brought the look together. So this is this side, this is it without. My favorite mascara, y'all. Alright, eyes are done. That's pretty much it for eyes. And then moving on to lips. I'm just taking some lip balm, guys. I'm not going all out. This is a work / school everyday look, guys. You don't need to do the most. So this is the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm, which I've been loving. It's very moisturizing and just makes my lips feel super moisturized, and it also has like a nice tint to it. So I've been loving this product. The only thing I don't like about the product is the, like, I like using it like this, but you legit have to just apply it on your finger and then apply, but it's not a big deal. So that's pretty much it for this look, guys. It's an everyday work, school look, honestly. Like, you don't have to do the most, and I only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, 6 drugstore products to achieve today's look. So you don't need to break the bank to look cute, girl. You do not need to break the bank. You guys could literally go and get these products, do my routine that I just showed you, and complete a look like this. It looks like I didn't do nothing. It looks like I didn't do nothing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see more products like this, where I use 5 or 6 products to achieve a look like this. It looks like a full face, but it's not, because I finessed you guys. I showed you guys my tips and tricks. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.